Have you ever wondered about the small celestial bodies that orbit our sun? These objects, known as planetoids, have been observed since ancient times. Yet the distinction between stars, planets, and these minor celestial bodies wasn't always clear. Our ancestors charted the night sky, recording the movements of these objects with keen interest. However, it wasn't until the invention of the telescope that we could delve deeper into these mysteries. The mysteries of the night sky began to unravel with the advent of telescopic technology. The first planetoid Ceres was discovered in the early 19th century. The credit for its discovery goes to Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi, who stumbled upon it on the first day of the year 1801. Originally, Piazzi believed he had discovered a new planet. However, as more celestial bodies similar to Ceres were found in the same region, it became evident that Ceres was part of a new class of objects. The discovery of Ceres marked the beginning of a new era in astronomy. Ceres is the largest object in a region populated by thousands of planetoids. Nestled between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, this region is known as the asteroid belt. It's like a cosmic treasure chest, brimming with countless planetoids, each with its own unique story. These space rocks vary in size and composition, from tiny grains to massive objects like Ceres. The discovery of this vast asteroid belt spurred on astronomers to delve deeper, uncovering more of these celestial wonders. The asteroid belt, a treasure trove of celestial objects, continues to fascinate astronomers. As more planetoids were discovered, a system was needed to classify them. Astronomers started grouping these celestial bodies based on their composition, size, and orbit, creating a rich tapestry of diverse objects. The classification system provides a structured way to understand the diversity of planetoids. In recent decades, we have taken a closer look at planetoids. NASA's Dawn mission, for instance, orbited both Vesta and Ceres, providing valuable insights into their composition and structure. These exploration missions bring us closer than ever to these distant celestial bodies. Not all planetoids are far away in the asteroid belt. Some, known as near-Earth asteroids, come close to our orbit. These celestial wanderers, while fascinating, pose potential impact threats. Astronomers keep a watchful eye on them. These near-Earth asteroids remind us of the dynamic nature of our solar system. The study of planetoids is a window into the past. Probing their composition and orbits unravels mysteries of our solar system's history and formation. Through these celestial time capsules, we learn more about the early solar system and the formation of planets. Planetoids, once mere points of light in the sky, have become crucial to our understanding of the solar system. Their discovery and study have expanded our knowledge about the formation and characteristics of celestial bodies. As we continue to explore and study these fascinating objects, who knows what other secrets of our solar system they may reveal?